Here we go. Don't stop.
Come on. Trot.
Here we go. The trotter.
Trot.
Donna thinks that he's more intelligent than my Splash, but
Trot.
today I have my doubts.
Come on. Trot. Trot. Come on. Come on. Down. Trot.
He's supposed to be going around the circle, but I don't know. I think he has other things on his mind. Now we have a standoff.
Calm. Stand. Alright, come. Walk. Videoing?
Yeah, I'm videoing.
Alright.
Splash does better than that.
Back. Stand. Alright, we're going to do the turnaround now.
This is cute. Everyone's going to like the turnaround.
Okay, stand. Stand. Ready?
Sure.
Hey, no, no. Turn.
Well,
Girl.
I don't know about that either.
Turn. 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 Yeah.
I'll be honest with you, I'd rather watch you turn than the horse.
Girl. Stand. Good girl. Come here. Go. Turn. 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 Good girl. Turn. 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 Come here. Good girl. Good girl. Back. Back. Stand.
Those cans in that bag are beer cans. That's how many Donna drank today, just trying to get him to do this.
Good girl. Alright. You might need to come closer. Come on. Come on. Come. Walk. 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 Stand. Stand. Walk. Walk. Stand. Stand. And okay, now I'm going to do a turn around on her. Turn. 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 Stand. Good girl. Good girl. One more. Turn. 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 Turn.
I hope I don't get kicked here.
Back up. You're gonna miss it. Now you gotta make me do her again. She starts coming towards you, back up. Back.
Yes, Mother.
Turn. 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 Stand. Good girl.
Is the rodeo over?
Yeah.
Man, I don't think he did that well.
She didn't do too good tonight.
I think you better practice that.
Well, she did not as good as she did the other night, and that's only her second night. Do you see how she come to me over the fence, though?
My baby? My baby. Hmm? You're my baby, aren't you? You're my baby, aren't you? Hmm?
I thought she did real well on that. Come here, girl.
Anything else you want to show me?
Jasper.
Go.
Come on. Come on. Dan. Walk. See, even though I got this stick on me, doesn't bother. Walk. 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 What are you going to him for?
Because he loves me.
Walk.
He knows that
Come on.
he's the reason, I'm
Walk.
the reason he's here.
Oh, she did turn around. Good girl. See, she knows I've got this stick. It doesn't bother her. Wait a minute, I gotta get it out of my pocket. Here.
Jesus God. What I say about gets more than anybody else?
Oh, she did pretty good.
Well, she did.
She did better off when the asphalt.
Bitches.
Yeah. How'd you like that this now?
Go down and look at this. Hey, go down and look at this.